Welcome back, guys. Are you looking for a fun and easy way to make extra income? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital product to sell on different platforms such as Etsy or Amazon. The digital product that we're going to be making today is an animal alphabet coloring book. No previous experience needed because I'm going to guide you along the way. Let's head to our free Canva account. Create a design once it's pulled up. We're going to do a custom size, and we're going to choose 8.6 by 8.75 inches. That's the one I've chosen to use. You can choose any one that you want when we're creating our coloring book. Okay, I'm going to go from the left ruler and drag it all the way down to my canvas. I want 0.375, but I might just have to get close to it as possible. Okay, we'll take 0.380. Then I'm going to go and type in square. Okay, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to modify it. And this is going to be my guide for the rest of the margins. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm going to copy it, paste it, and at the top, right click, paste. Okay. Let's put it down at the bottom. Okay, so this will be easier to get my margins correct. Drag it all the way down. Okay. Drag it all the way over to the top of the box. So now I know that my margins are even. So now I can delete the square boxes. So we want to create 101 pages total. And so the first page is going to be, we're going to click text, who this book belongs to. Make it bigger. Make sure you all center it. Then go to elements, type in line. Y'all, you can always go back and make this look more appealing. And so the child will write his name there. The next thing you want to do is go to the next page, and this is where we're going to create our letter A. So we're going to go to text, click on add a heading, and we're going to click on effects, go to hollow, and move the letter A in the corner. It's going to represent our letter A. Make it a little bigger. So once we're done with the letter A, we're going to go to Elements and type in the word alligator. And then we're going to scroll down until we find an alligator for free. So we're going to choose this one. The next thing we're going to do is go back to text, and we're going to write I'm going to type out the word alligator. Then we're going to go to Effects, click on Hollow. Okay. That way the kids can color the word alligator, since this is a coloring book. The next thing you want to do is skip a page. And the reason why we're skipping a page, because if the kids are coloring these images and the words, we don't want it to bleed through the next page. So next thing we will do is we're going to do our add a heading under text. We're going to put the letter B. We're going to click Effects, click on Hollow, and we're going to drag it in the corner. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is go to Elements so we can find a bear. Let's find a free one. So this one is free. Center it. Then go back to text on the left. And we're going to write the word bear. All uppercase. Then we're going to click Effects, click on Hollow, make okay, and so center it on the bear. And so once we're completed that, you will go on to C. Once again, you would skip a page to prevent this page right here from bleeding through, and then go on to C, the letter C, and create that page. Once you're finished creating all your alphabet pages with each animal and its name, the next thing you need to do is go to the share button to the right corner, click on it, then click download, save it on the PNG, click download, and then save the work to your computer. Now that you know how easy it is to create your own alphabet book, you can start selling it on different places like Etsy or Amazon to make extra money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.